Part Point 8 Operational Preparation, Cleaning. Debugging, Action Interface, Cleaning Agitator, Extractor, Manual Click. Clean after adding materials, return to the shopping interface to pop up, if powder accidentally falls into the mixer. In order to prevent clogging, you need to click to confirm cleaning when returning to the shopping interface or enter the debugging interface, and manually click the cleaning button. Agitator disassembly and cleaning, disassembly process. Material box disassembly and cleaning, disassembly process. Extractor disassembly and cleaning, disassembly process. Cleaning the water box under the cup, the position and removal and cleaning process of the water box under the cup.